Good morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. Had to restart the 75 Hard Fitness Challenge. It is day one. I failed the challenge because I was not doing daily progress pics and I was doing audio books instead of actual books. I appreciate Ramon and Rodrigo Sotelo for informing me. So I am restarting the challenge. I'm going to complete the 75 Hard Challenge the right way and with honor and integrity. Locked in on the mission of greatness, taking care of business. I've already lost 18 pounds. Still gonna keep doing the 2 45-minute workouts a day and follow the challenge properly. I hope everyone has a great Monday morning and is safe. 75 hard to the finish, day one.